The Friar. His job description, he's supposed to help take care of the homeless. He's supposed to live in poverty, so he should beg to support himself. He's a special type of monk that is supposed to spread the word of God. He belongs in the clergy social class at the time period, and he's a holy figure, or supposedly, in Chaucer's society. His physical description, he has the stereotypical brown robe and the half-bald head. He's very pale and heavy-set, and kind of just like a greasy man. Satiric norm. He's supposed to be a holy man with high morals. He's supposed to live in poverty, and he's supposed to not live a materialistic lifestyle and just preach. Direct characterization in the story. The first quote refers to him how he doesn't really work outside, how he's inside all the time and just doesn't do any hard labor. Second quote refers to how he is strong enough to, when he actually gets into an actual skirmish or something, he can actually fight. He's also qualified to hear confessions, which he does for a small fee, but which you're not really supposed to do in religion. And he had a special license from the Pope, or supposedly, so he's kind of a liar a little bit. Indirect characterization. He kept his tippets stuffed with pins for curls and pocket knives to give to pretty girls. And this is, he's basically saying he's kind of a womanizer, and which you're not supposed to do as a friar either, but he does anyway. We have the same quote as from before, which shows like he gets into trouble, because it's a quote that kind of combines both. And to attribute disputes unsettling days for a small fee in many helpful ways. This is another way he makes money, which he's not really supposed to, by charging people to settle disputes, which was common for friars to do at the time. Juvenile satire. Basically, at this time, there was a lot of religious corruption in society. They're supposed to maintain their faith by begging and small donations, but a lot of them were kind of almost con men or sly, like extorted people, which the friar does in Chaucer's description of him. Modern day, Michael Conahan, he's from the Kids for Cash scandal. He was supposed to be a figure in the community that was supposed to help people, but instead he extorted services and made money off of people's problems, and basically was just a bad guy. The Friar.